This morning I reported that Tesla just finally made that 100 million euro security deposit that needs to be used in case the Gigafactory Giga Berlin is going to be dismantled and the final permit doesn't come. This was an important news because it opened a green light toward the final permit for Giga Berlin, but we're learning now about new puzzles. RBB, the German RBB, which is Brandenburg Public Radio, is reporting puzzles over Tesla plans for another factory building, saying at the end of 2020, Tesla submitted a building application for another warehouse to the Oder-Spree district. That's the local government. The district and the Ministry of the Environment cannot or could not confirm that battery cells will be produced there, but Francesca Hoppen from RBB is thinking that this may be the place where Tesla may be building its battery factory. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla or electric vehicle coverage. So RBB reports that shortly before Christmas, the Oder-Spree district, this is the district where Tesla is building the Giga Berlin factory, the Oder-Spree district received a building application from the electric car manufacturer Tesla for a warehouse. It should measure around 3 soccer fields. That's how big it is, according to Sasha Jem, head of the construction at the district, who told this news to RBB on Monday at the request of RBB. According to this report, Tesla wants to build it in the lower right quadrant of the site in Grünheide, almost parallel to the L38 highway. The document showed this. Jem said to RBB that Tesla does not want to work with substances hazardous into water in the entire whole area. That could speed up the examination of this application, that Tesla's new application, because the hole is being built on a drinking water protection area. When I say hole, I mean this warehouse that Tesla wants to build. Whether it's going to be a warehouse or a battery factory, we don't know. The report says there is no evidence of a battery factory. Here's what it says. At this point in time, it cannot be said that batteries will one day be produced there. The Brandenburg Ministry of the Environment also confirms more details about the project or even an application for a permit for a battery factory in Grünheide are not yet available. At the end of November, however, Tesla boss Elon Musk announced that he wanted to turn the future plant near Berlin into the world's largest battery factory. You can learn about this from our previous reports, which I have reported at Torque News. This is going to be really interesting. Tesla wants to build the world's largest electric vehicle battery factory in Grünheide. This is why this new application, which will measure 3 soccer fields, is of so much importance and puzzles us. It is conceivable that a later approval process for the battery factory would be accelerated if the batteries were produced in the warehouse that is not being applied for. After all, the foundation and walls would already be in place, but it would also be a risky undertaking, says RBB, because for warehouses and battery factories, there are most likely different, much more stringent requirements, and whether a double foundation can be poured so easily in an already completed former warehouse is questionable. Now, the authorities are not aware of any concrete plans. It is also unclear which procedure will actually apply when Tesla applies for a license for a battery factory. Here's a quote. Only when the ideas for the project are available, said Frau Zelt, press spokesperson for the Ministry for the Environment on Monday, then it will be clear which procedure will actually apply when Tesla applies for a license for a battery factory. Right now, apparently, ideas for the project are not available. An approval procedure under the Federal Emissions Control Act would be possible, presumably if the factory is built on the Tesla site and produces batteries for the electric cars produced there. The Building Regulations Office, on the other hand, would probably have a say if the battery factory is not built on the Tesla site or does not primarily produce for Tesla. Approval for warehouse is around 3 months. The process is simpler for the warehouse applied for. According to Sasha Gem, approvals for similar cases are theoretically given within 6 weeks. In the vast majority of cases, however, the application documents are not complete. Tesla also had to make improvements, therefore a period of around 3 months until approval is more realistic. So we're talking about somewhere between 6 weeks to 3 months. The community of Grünheide also has a say in this. You know that in Germany, when you're building huge applications are applied for, the local community has to have a say. We have seen this from Giga Berlin. It must give, the local community in Grünheide must give an opinion on the warehouse plans, to what extent they fit the site in terms of planning law. A request has not yet been received in Grünheide, according to the independent mayor Arne Christiani, reports RBB. Now, warehouse instead of battery factory. I personally thought that Tesla was going to clear that 82 hectares of land to build the battery factory. But now we're hearing reports that Tesla has applied for an application for a warehouse, which is 3 times a soccer field. So it makes sense that Tesla has some need to temporarily store what is being delivered or produced. At the end of last year, Tesla circles said that space would be needed to temporarily store machine parts if the factory were to start up and grow step by step, the RBB reports. In addition, Tesla normally likes to work according to the just-in-time principle in its other production facilities, so it receives deliveries when a car has been ordered to save storage costs, avoid unnecessary inventory, and thus increase efficiency. In this case of Grünheide, however, where it cannot be foreseen actually when production will start and how fast it will start, a warehouse can be a worthwhile. Reports Antenne Brandenburg Broadcasting from RBB 24. So friends, let me know, what do you think? Why does Tesla need a warehouse? Is Tesla going to just store stuff or cars in the warehouse, or Tesla wants to use this facility to build its battery factory? Or do you think Tesla will build the battery factory, the world's largest electric vehicle battery factory, in the area of land which is now Tesla clearing, the 82 hectares of land that Tesla is clearing? I don't know. This is why it's called a puzzle, reports RBB. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and electric vehicle news analysis. Ring the notification bell, please, when you subscribe, and stay with us. God bless you. Peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.